Okay, good morning. You've got me again today. I'm sorry about that. You haven't seen me for a while, so it's been quite nice. But anyway. Okay, so today we're going to look at equations a bit. Okay? Equations. What are equations? Well, equations, normal maths are easy. You know, we have 7 plus 5. We know what 7 is. We know what 5 is. We just put 12 in at the end. Yes? Okay, that's easy. Okay? Equations are when we don't know one of these numbers. So, and we use letters instead of numbers. Okay? So we have a plus 9 equals 16, or 17 plus z equals 24. Okay? Yes? And generally these sorts of questions in your exams and in your tests, basically they'll want you to find out the value of x or the value of y. Okay? Or sometimes, okay, that's it. Sometimes you might have 17 plus z equals y, and they'll give you the value of z. You have to find out the value of y, or they'll give you the value of y and you have to find out the value of z. Okay, so those are the two different things that you'll get, sorts of things in the exam, I think, anyway. Right, okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 different videos today. We're going to start with the easy ones and then go a little bit harder and then a little bit harder. Okay, so I'm not going to say an awful lot. We'll just carry on and see how we go. Okay, so the first ones we're going to deal with are straightforward ones where we have addition or subtraction. Okay, so we have y plus 2 equals 10. Okay, now I know these sound easy. Okay, well to me they sound easy. Perhaps they don't sound easy to you. I'll shut up. Let me just carry on. Okay, right. What we have to do when we have equations like this, we have to get the y on its own, or the letter. Obviously y could be any letter. We have to get the y on its own. And this is a little bit like when we dealt with fractions. You know, we talk about the top and the bottom, and whatever we do to the top, we have to do to the bottom. Well, it's a little bit the same. It's like this is the top and this is the bottom. Because whatever we do to this side, we have to do to this side. Okay? And that's all you have to remember in these. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. Okay, so what I want is y equals something. Okay, I've got plus 2 here. How can I get rid of plus 2? Well, if I have plus 2 and I don't want plus 2, I just take 2 away. Okay, so I have y. If I take away 2, if I take away 2 on this side, I have to take away 2 on this side. Okay? So I've got y plus 2 minus 2 equals 10 minus 2. I cross these out because these cancel out to 0. So I've got y equals 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. So that's our answer. Y equals 8. Okay, so we've done a plus one. Let's do a minus one. Okay, so we've got a minus 4 equals 7. Okay? Yes? How do we get rid of a minus 4? Well, if we get rid of a plus 4 by adding a minus, we get rid of a minus by adding a plus. Yes? Don't forget, whatever we do to this side, we have to do to this side. So we got a minus 4 plus 4 equals 7 plus 4. Okay? These cancel out, and we end up with a equals 7 plus 4, a equals 11. Okay? And that's it. Okay, so have a go at some of the exercises and we'll carry on in a little bit.